Pokemon. Today we're going to be making a video of cars on a track that Dominic made. Those are all the cars. Now let's get started with the race. The first one to touch that, the champion is Plymouth Roadrunner. And you go down this, and you have to touch that. And I got new glasses. So the first one to touch this, go.
Point at the track until it hits that.
That one's the winner. Loser. Winner. Loser. Down. I'll put it on that whiteboard.
Go down there and grab the cars.
Yellow winner. That one didn't even make it. So winner. Loser is the Ferrari.
Go down there and grab the cars.
None of them won, but the closest one to winning would be the Fast Fish. So the Fast Fish kind of wins. And the loser. And one of those cars is mine, the rest are theirs. Got a little cup up there. It's Dominic, it's Gideon. Miliana's right up there on the seat. She likes babies, dolls. Ooh, the next race is a cool one. Got a car, got a charger. Red one, winner. Loser. Loser, Dom, winner.
Get it, go and grab the cars.
I'm going to be doing something different real quick. We got a green car from the set and that car. Green car is the winner. They haven't touched yet, but it kind of wins because that car was farther away. Let's get that right there. So, loser, winner. Tom, 2 minutes. Expect 2 minutes. The next race.
Go.
Closest car is a fake car. That's the winner. That's the loser. Winner, loser. My phone's almost dead. We'll make a part 2 of this video because my phone's dying.
Whoever wins the last race gets to face the champion.
So we're going to be doing 2 more races. Hold on. No, we're making a part 2 of those cars. The Porsche lost. This one. Normally the Porsche is super fast. Let's do the Porsche to show you guys normally what would happen. Even though that was the winner. The loser was the Porsche. See, usually it would touch the board and then bounce back. But I guess that one time was a bad one. Let's do this race, Dom. Let's do this. Dom, let's do this. Not yet. Okay, guys, the next race.
Start.
Plymouth Roadrunner versus this. That car's not going to be in the video.
This car.
This is a new car that Gideon got 2 days ago. I'm not going to be doing that because we're doing a part 2 because
We're
my phone's
using a
dead.
different car for the race.
On your marks. Get set. Go. Plymouth Roadrunner.
Wait. This wins.
That's the runner. Now let's do the orange car again. That's Gideon's champion. It's pretty fast. It would go like this. And then hit the board. Go. Now let's do this race against the Plymouth Roadrunner. Plymouth Roadrunner wins.
How?
Now that's our fastest car. In second place, this orange fake car from Line Drive. And hold on. Just drop a car down. Grab one. And our winner. And our second place. Well, remember to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.